All right, we are going to look at a few more examples. Once you figure out which method you prefer, whether it's FOIL or box method, distributive property, it does not matter to me for my students. It does not matter to me which one you do as long as you're really good at it. So looking at those two, whichever you prefer, go for whichever one you feel strongly about, like that you understand clearly. I'm going to do this next example using both methods. So again, we can see how that happens. So I'm going to start off with the box method this time. So I'm going to draw myself a little box, cut it into 4, and across the top, I'm going to do 5, I'm going to do that on the side, 5x minus 4, and then across the top, we have that 2x plus 8. Now, as you go through, when I did this previously, I showed the multiplication happening inside the box. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can completely just show what the end product is. So for example, 2x and 5x. When I go to multiply those two together, I know that 2 times 5 is 10. So I'm going to have 10, and then x times x is going to give me x squared. I don't need to show them actually being multiplied together. By showing box method, I am showing that they're getting multiplied together. I don't need to show like 5 times 5x times 2x equals 10x squared. I don't need to show that part. So if you're showing the box method, all you have to show is what the product is inside each individual box. So going the left column and the bottom row, negative 4 times 2, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and then the x just hangs out with us. I'm going to continue the same on the right side. I have a column with 8 times 5, 8 times 5x, 8 times 5 is 40, and then we just hang out with the x, and then we go through the next column, or the next row, 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. So then I'm going to combine my like terms. My like terms are 4x and negative 8x. So we have 10x squared. 40x minus 8x gives us a positive 32x minus 32. So that is my final answer. The more you practice this, the faster you get at combining your like terms and seeing what is going to go with what. So again, that's how we solve using box method. You can use distributive property, FOIL, whatever you prefer. Also, so we've got 5x times 2x. And again, you might be able to jump from showing these baby steps to the final full step. 5 times 2 is 10x squared. If you do, that's great. 5x times 8. We know 5 times 8 is 40, so 40x. And then we have negative 4 times 2x. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8x. And then negative 4 times 8 gives us negative 32. Again, combining like terms, we have 40x and then negative 8x negative 8x. So we have 10x squared plus 32x minus 32. So again, same answer, just a different method on how to do it. So I want you to go through and do example 4, and then we will talk about example 5 and 6.